Let me collect that we never expressed any interest in Chase Bank or Imperial, because as I said, our governance structure is so legal that we can't meet the deadlines that are required under those situations. We have never seriously considered, because if you look, we are voted the second fastest growing company, and if you look, the fastest growing is a tier 3 bank. Yet we are tier 1, second biggest balance sheet, yet the second fastest growing. So essentially, when you have that level of growth rate, you don't want to be detracted. If you look at, let's look at last year, the total growth in balance sheet in the funds was 67 billion shillings, from 372 to 340. 30 plus 40, so actually minus 2, it's 68 actually, not 67. If you look at that, that is the balance sheet of family bank. But it will take us 3 years to integrate family, while every year we can be creating family. So we have never had motivation to look around acquisition within the league, because it would keep us culture integration, policy integration. Tier 2 banks are completely funded by treasury, by wholesale funds to the tune of let's say 60 to 70%. Go analyze the balance sheet. When you look at such a situation, you find it's not really sustainable. So what you do is you always then say, how do I structure my balance sheet so that if there is a headwind, I can still survive? So you can see equity, instead of cost of funding going up, it's coming down, despite the real liquidity crunch in the banking industry. Why? Because we had already structured. Now, as you structure that, then you say, the 20 billion that I might have, let me match it with treasury bills, and let me raise long-term funds. And that's how we equity has always survived. We are very conservative. Contrary to what people think, we are very risk-driven. Very risk-driven. So it is not for lack of opportunity, because you can see we disbursed 22%, and 22% is our average growth on loan book year on year for a long time. That is, and this is a huge balance sheet growing at 22%, but we seem to have been getting more money than we could be able to invest. And the best place was to park them in treasury. It was very attractive.